In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cash out money from Binance using an on-chain withdrawal without overcomplicating the process. This method is commonly used when you want to move your crypto from Binance to another wallet or exchange so you can eventually convert it into cash. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Binance app or website and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and that all your security features are active. Once you're logged in, go to the wallet section. This is where you'll see all your balances, including your spot wallet where most users keep their funds. Inside the wallet, click on Send. This option allows you to withdraw crypto from Binance to an external address. Next, choose on-chain withdrawal. After that, select the currency you want to withdraw, such as USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other supported asset. Now you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Paste in the destination wallet address, select the correct network, and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Take your time here and double check everything because sending crypto to the wrong address or network can result in permanent loss. After entering the details, review everything carefully on the confirmation screen. Once you're sure all the information is correct, confirm the withdrawal. Binance will then ask you to complete security verification. This may include email confirmation, two-factor authentication, or facial verification depending on your account settings. Once confirmed, Binance will process the transaction. You can track its progress in your withdrawal history. After the blockchain confirms the transaction, the funds will arrive in your destination wallet, and that's it. That's how you cash out money from Binance using an on-chain withdrawal. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.